looking for a way to add additional cameras into your live stream? Have you been looking for a way to just really take your live streaming to the next level? Well, I understand completely what you're feeling, what you're thinking, because it can be very difficult sometimes when you can't do it, but you want to, and you see other people streaming. You're like, they have, a camera over here and a camera over there, and they're able to bring in their products and other things. Especially if you're new at live streaming, this is definitely a great platform to use. This is the BeLive platform. I'm actually using this platform now, and I'm going to show you right now how to bring in extra cameras in a very easy, user-friendly manner. I'm using the iPhone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max and I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, both iPhones. And I've done it with several other phones and computers as well. The first thing you want to do is go on your BeLive, which you may already be familiar with. You go in there and you want to go over to your guest. On the left side of the screen, it will show guest. As a matter of fact, I'm on the BeLive platform. I can just actually, nope, we won't share that right now. That's getting another subject. But you go to the guest, which is over on your left-hand side of the stream. It's like right under your Go Live button. You have the Go Live button, and then you have the camera, and then you have the guest. You want to click on that guest option, the icon, and it will bring up a URL that has https://app.be.live, and then it has the rest of the link, and then it will have a guest on the end of it. You want to click the copy. It has two little things that show two little square-like things that mean copy. Click on that, and then you have copied the link. That's the link that you share to wherever you want. So I actually copy that because I'm on a MacBook Pro is the computer that I'm actually using. I copy that and I airdropped it into my phone, starting with my one phone. I airdropped in there, and then it will come up. You go to Safari. It may not work on Google Chrome on your mobile device. You go to Safari, you copy the link into the URL section, the app.be.live right there. And then it will bring up a screen. Actually, let me get out of this so I can show you back from the very beginning what it's going to look like. Okay, let me go to the plus button, put the plus, and down here in this area right here, the URL section, you want to copy that URL in there. It will show the copy in there. You copied it and you want to click go on your phone. It will say waiting to join, waiting to join. And on your computer, it will say such and such is asking to join, reject or approve. You want to approve. Now, on here, it has been approved. So now it says I'm entering a backstage area on the phone. You want to enable your camera on your phone. Access the microphone and the camera. You want to click allow. And then you see here, it is on. So you are actually live on your phone. Now, once you do that, you put your phone wherever you want to see, whatever you want your phone to look at. And let's see, we're going to put over here to give me a different angle on this side. We'll put it over there. And you want to click, oh, I didn't mention that part. You want to click let's go. On here, that orange button, let's go. On your BeLive, make sure that you mute the mic on the area that you're bringing it in the screen, which I'm going to do that right now because I come up, when you're on your phone, you come up backstage. Let's go back over here to the BeLive. Your external camera source is in the backstage. You want to click the show in screen. And now it is shown in screen. You want to make sure that on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, it will show the microphone and the camera. You want to click that microphone to make sure that the microphone is turned off so you don't get that feedback. So that is bringing in one camera. And as you see, I'm looking over here now at my iPhone, and that camera is brought in. Now I'm going to bring in another phone. I love this because it makes it really super simple. So I did the same thing on this phone, get it up, get it in, follow the exact same thing that you did on the other phone. You want to join BeLive, you join, and it's going to come up. Same thing. You want to make sure you go through your link that you put in, which is the guest link. Approve it because it will come up on your computer to approve it. You approve it, and then enable camera, this exact same process. Enable the camera, allow for camera and microphone. You're entering backstage. Let's go. And now on your computer, on your BeLive, it will say TSL is ready to join. Well, for you, it won't say TSL. I'm TSL. This is everybody. The same thing. Make sure you mute the mic. And you can do that while you are backstage. While your camera is backstage, you can mute the mic. I'm now going to bring that camera in. Back to my screen so I can actually see what is going on in this string as well. Put that phone over there, and then you add it into the stream because you've already muted. Show in stream, and then it goes in, it gives you a 3, 2, 1, and there it is. So now we have the 3 different cameras, and you can actually bring in several. BeLive, this platform that I'm on right now, they've added so many different things. They've added some nice templates. It looks amazing. I'm actually loving this platform, and it's very easy to use. And this is how you bring it in. Now, another good thing about this is because it's an external camera, you can put it wherever you want. So if you're wanting to use it and show something else, like I'm sitting here talking to you, and I could say, okay, well, let's go down here. I'm going to turn this around and show this TrebLab speaker. So I have the speaker right in my hand. I'm showing this, or the speaker case right in my hand by TrebLab. It is wonderful, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, and talking about this and bringing it up. So you can do a lot with the external phones, the second and third and fourth camera, if you want, and do it that way. So there's a lot of options showing your products, being able to move them and position the cameras in different ways. Fantastic. I love the simplicity of this. This is BeLive platform that I am using, and you can use the camera. So you don't have to worry about, and this is actually my iPhone 11 Pro Max is actually not connected to anything. So you can still use, as long as you have Wi-Fi capability, Bluetooth capability, through Wi-Fi, because BeLive you do use that on the internet. It is a web-based program. As long as you have internet connection, you can use that on your phone. So I love it. If you have any questions, please feel free. Let me know what you think. Leave a couple of comments. Let me know what you think about what I'm sharing here and how simple this actually is. A very simple platform, easy to use, and I think you will absolutely love it. Using the camera sources, you see that I have it this way, and then different things to turn it and move the templates in different ways, have them over there, move it. And I mean, there are a lot of different options that you can do with this particular platform, and it's amazing. Easy, simple. So if you're doing live streaming, especially if you're just starting out, then you know what to do. I hope I made this pretty simple for you. I will be coming back with another one to make it simple again and show you some more fun things that you can do with BeLive. Until the next live stream.